Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss your chapter number 7, that is gender. So, let's start. You have learned that nouns can be divided into masculine, feminine, and neuter genders. Students, in the previous classes, you have read that a noun can be divided into masculine, feminine, and neuter gender. So let's discuss first is masculine gender. So nouns that stand for males are said to be in the masculine gender. For example, man, father, uncle, son, tiger, etc. So nouns that stand for males. Okay, nouns which stands for males that are called masculine gender. For example, man, father, uncle, son, tiger, all nouns stand for males, so these are masculine gender. Now feminine gender. Nouns that stand for females are said to be in the feminine gender. For example, women, mother, aunt, daughter, tigress. Students, all these are representing females, so these are feminine gender. So what is masculine gender, students? Nouns that stand for males are said to be in the masculine gender. What is feminine gender? Nouns that stand for females are said to be in the feminine gender. Now come to the next. Next is neuter gender. So what is neuter gender, students? Nouns that are neither male nor female are said to be in the neuter gender. For example, chair, car, pen, book, room, wood, house, sofa, etc. Students, what is neuter gender? Nouns that are neither male nor female. It means non-living things. Okay, all the non-living things represent neuter gender. Okay, you can see chair. Chair is non-living thing, so this is neuter gender. Car is non-living things. Pen, book, room, wood, house, sofa, all are neuter gender. All these are representing non-living things. Now there is the fourth gender, that is called the common gender. So what is common gender, students? Nouns that can be used for both males and females are said to be in the common gender. For example, teacher. Teacher can be used for both male and females. Doctor, cousin, parents, shopkeeper, etc. Now these are some rules how to change a masculine gender into feminine gender. Now let's discuss by adding ESS to the masculine noun. So first is ear, earess, host, hostess, lion, lioness, priest, priestess, baron, baroness. So these are feminine gender. We have made feminine gender by adding ESS at the given masculine gender. Now the second rule is by adding ESS to the masculine noun after changing the spelling slightly. For example, god, goddess, hunter, huntress, waiter, waitress, duke, duchess, emperor, empress, master, mistress, tiger, tigress. Students, you can see we have made feminine gender by changing some spelling slightly to the masculine gender. You can see god, goddess. We have added another D in the feminine gender. In hunter, we have removed E in the hunter and we have added ESS. Waiter, just like waiter, we have removed E and in the feminine gender we have added ESS. Duke, duchess. Emperor, you can see E और and O both are removed, दोनों को remove कर दिया गया है and we have added ESS after R. Master, mistress. Tiger, tigress. Now come to some another rules to change masculine gender into feminine gender. So by changing a word before or after a compound noun. So compound noun is given and we have to make feminine gender of these masculine gender. So first is grandfather, grandmother, fisherman, fisherwoman, manservant, maidservant, landlady, landlord, landlady, milkman, milkmaid, peacock, peahen, stepson, stepdaughter. So these are compound noun and we have changed some words before or after the compound nouns. Now next and last rule of gender is some masculine and feminine nouns don't follow any rules. उन पे कोई भी rules जो है वो follow नहीं करते हैं. Study the table to understand the gender change of some nouns. So students, in this table first column is given masculine gender and second is feminine gender. For these masculine gender they don't follow any rules, just like nephew, niece, both are totally different. Nephew and niece, masculine is nephew and feminine is niece. Monk, nun, lord, lady, bachelor, spinster, drake, duck, wizard, witch, buck, doe, bull or ox, cow, stallion, mare, gander, goose, rooster, hen, earl, countess, colt, filly, fox, vixen, stag, hind, ram, ewe. Now students, let's revise what is gender. So in this chapter we have read about the kinds of gender. First is masculine gender, second is feminine gender, third is neuter gender, and fourth last one is common gender. Okay, so what is masculine gender? Nouns that stand for males, these are called masculine gender. What is feminine gender? Nouns that stand for females, that are called feminine gender. And what is neuter gender? Nouns that are neither male nor female are said to be neuter gender. Now what is common gender? Nouns that can be used for both males and females are said to be in the common gender. These are some rules. You will learn all these rules at your home and you will revise this chapter again and again. So that's it for today students. We will meet soon with a new online video class. Till then you will learn and write all the exercise which I have given as you homework. So goodbye everyone.